So I just finished sanding after applying that paste. Try to fill in the cracks as best as I could. But now I'm gonna set up a table and we're gonna spray paint it purple. So let's see how that goes. I fucking forgot to hit record, I think. And I tried to dab it off and I fucked it up. But yeah, right here, went on too heavy. I didn't even think that was possible, like being able to do clear coat too heavy, but I guess that just shows my naivety when it comes to using paint. But yeah, it looks pretty good.